Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use plain mode in Claude Code. To use the plain mode when you want Claude Code to inspect and design before editing, start in plain mode. So simply just go into Claude and basically write down this command, which is this one, as you can see here, Claude permission mode, as you can see. And this, after you basically do it, it looks like you have run the Claude Code command with permission mode plain flag. Here's what that does mean. It puts the Claude Code into plain only mode, where Claude will be able to read files and explore your code base, analyze and describes what changes need to be made, and outputs a plan of actions that it will take. But it will not execute any writes, edits, shell commands, or other side effecting operation without explicit approval. So this is something that you can use in case you were worried that the Claude will touch your own database, will remove something, edit something without you knowing. So in plain mode, Claude can only read and search your code and propose a plan, but it won't edit the files until you approve it. Anthropic docs describe it as useful for changes you want to review before they touch disk. A good prompt for you to use with the Claude Code is this one. So let me just show you here, guys. So let me just go. Plan the implementation for adding password reset. Inspect the code base first. Do not edit files yet. Include files to change, risk, test, and migration steps. So these type of prompts are going to simply help to review the plan. When it looks right, approve it, and Claude Code can execute it. So yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.